intelligent production line for automated livestock and poultry breeding equipment from China. Long service life and flexible layout. Cost saving and other advantages. We designed the egg machine meat machine brooder chicken house, covering a wide range of cages. The equipment is divided and arranged in the house. Sealed structure. Installation of wet curtain cooling intelligent control. And negative pressure ventilation system. Automated laying hen equipment is the preferred equipment for large-scale, standardized egg rearing equipment at home and abroad. The equipment includes cage watering system, manure cleaning system, egg system feeding system, lighting system control system, sound and light alarm system. Our company developed the automated layer cage equipment, customized models from 4 to 8 layers. Automatic feeding system. The feed is transported from the dosing silo through the bottom winch, conveyed to the top of the feeder. Automatic feeding. The feeder is designed to be self-propelled and feed adjusting device. Directly toggle the feed level adjustment. Intelligent adjustment of material thickness. Uniform feeding. Equipped with traveling wheels to reduce friction with the trough. Extend the service life of the chute. Trolley feeder belt. The trolley feeder belt is equipped with a specially developed leveler to ensure even feeding and a hopper with an adjustable structure to regulate the amount of feed as the animal grows in age. The hot galvanized sheet material feeding troughs are fitted with adjusting plates on the inside and chicken blocking wires above the adjusting plates, which are combined to ensure that the chickens are free to feed without running away from the chickens. Egg collecting equipment. The automatic egg collector system has advanced technology and reasonable structure. It adopts the egg collecting belt to automatically transport the eggs from each column to the front of the chicken house, and the centralized egg equipment and automatic cleaning, sorting, and packing equipment can be selected according to the size and scale of the chicken house. The system greatly improves the degree of automation, increases labor efficiency, and reduces the rate of broken eggs. Automatic egg collecting system. Eggs fall into the bottom of the tilting cage. Tumble to egg collection conveyor. Transferred to the central collection conveyor. Eggs remain stationary throughout the transfer process. Egg breakage is minimized. Automated manure cleaning system. The manure belt is equipped with a unique cleaning system. The belt travels at a speed of 2 meters per minute. Solves problems such as runaway and curled edges. The back end of the cleaner is designed to be environmentally friendly and clean. Minimize the damage. Minimize the damage to the environment of the chicken house. Automatic temperature control system. Intelligent parameter management and control. Through the intelligent temperature control system, realize real-time monitoring of the growth process of livestock. The poultry house adopts wet curtain cooling and negative pressure ventilation. Intelligent turn on the fan. Record fan use time. Fully automatic temperature and humidity regulation. We design laminated laying hen cages and other breeding equipment. Simple operation. Customers can use the integrated intelligent control system. Large-scale chicken coop management and operation. China Hunan Breeding Equipment Factory is willing to dedicate an automated, intelligent, and modern livestock and poultry farm for any livestock and poultry owner customers all over the world. As long as you call and contact us, I will realize your breeding dream for you. If you need to create chicken farms, pig farms, pigeons, and other livestock farming business in other countries overseas, please contact us. Our company from Hunan Province, China specializes in providing overseas Chinese from all over the world with one-stop service from designing, installing to successful operation of automated and intelligent animal husbandry machinery and equipment made in China. According to the length, width, and height of your breeding house and the number of your breeding, we can calculate the most reasonable program for you to buy the livestock breeding equipment.